Training is equal to knowledge. Knowledge is equal to success. Success is equal to accomplished life. Accomplished life is equal to ultimate goal. Hi everyone, Navjyoti Global Solution is here with a video where we will talk about 4 things. Number 1, need of the training. Number 2, challenges in today's generation. Number 3, requirement of the industry. And number 4, benefits of Navjyoti's training. So let's begin. Number 1, need of training. From training to reaching an ultimate goal stage, one needs to become knowledgeable. It has been found that there is a huge gap between the demand in the industry and candidates available. So Navjyoti Global Solutions has taken the initiative to bridge this gap by imparting latest skills training to youth. Navjyoti makes students industry ready to ensure that they are quickly absorbed by the respective companies. Students not only touch new skies but also joins on higher salary. To survive in tough competition, one need to keep inventing efficient ways to improve the processes, systems, and most importantly, the mindset of the people. Navjyoti impart the knowledge of living life skillfully and effectively, which results in touching the new milestones. Now let's discuss the challenges in today's generation. 90% of students are unaware about industry requirements. 53% of graduates don't have basic computer knowledge. Over 10 lakhs graduates are becoming unemployed every year, besides 9 out of 10 companies having jobs. Youth looks for easy money. They do not give importance to time. They are moving without any goal. They are looking for relationship in early age. Immaturity, moral support. These all are the challenges in today's generation. Whereas, if we talk about the requirement in the industry, then industry needs effective communication, presentable, smart and spontaneous candidates, intelligent, confident, preemptive, reliable, stable, positive attitude, then willingness to work. So to eradicate the challenges and to meet industry's requirement, Navjyoti Global Solutions is transforming lives and careers of many. It is putting innovative thought process leading to efficient, confident and successful life. Imparting training on effective communication skills, interview skills, financial literacy and basic computer skills. With that, it has hands-on experience on recruitment and payroll process. It develops quick decision-making skills in youth, which turns to be a leader of tomorrow. Not only this, once the training is completed, Navjyoti teams follow a culture, taking follow-up from students to strengthen up the bond. Navjyoti's training is ethical, trustworthy, and reliable, resulting in double-digit growth. So what are you waiting for? Become skillful and successful today. Join Navjyoti. For query, call on 8130341177 or 8130341133. You can also visit our website www.ngspl.com. Also, to get your dream job, register today at navnaukri.com.